Sparklight, formerly known as Cable One, is a leading high-speed internet service provider in the United States, providing service to more than 800,000 customers in 21 states. Sparklight offers a range of plans with different speed options to cater to varying consumer needs. The company is known for its reliable, fast, and affordable internet services. They also offer additional services such as cable TV and phone services, allowing for convenient bundling options. Sparklight offers several key features that set it apart. They provide high-speed internet, with speeds ranging from 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps, meeting the needs of both casual users and heavy data consumers. Their plans also include a data usage plan, which allows users to manage and monitor their data usage. Plus, Sparklight offers 24/7 customer service and technical support. They also provide a free security suite to protect your online activities. Sparklight offers a variety of plans to suit different needs and budgets. Its Lite plan starts at $45 per month for 100 Mbps, the starter plan at $65 per month for 300 Mbps, and the streamer and gamer plan at $80 per month for 600 Mbps. The turbo plan, offering 1 Gbps speed, costs $125 per month. All plans come with a data cap, and additional data can be purchased if needed. Prices may vary by location. Sparklight is ideal for a variety of use cases. For casual internet users who mainly browse the web and check emails, the Lite plan is a good fit. The starter plan is suitable for households with multiple devices, while the streamer and gamer plan is perfect for those who stream HD content or play online games. The turbo plan is best for heavy internet users, such as remote workers or large families with multiple devices. There are several advantages to using Sparklight. Firstly, they offer high-speed internet across a wide coverage area. Their plans are flexible and cater to different usage needs. The free security suite is a significant add-on, protecting users from online threats. Plus, their 24/7 customer service ensures that help is always available. Lastly, the option to bundle services can lead to cost savings. Despite its advantages, Sparklight has some limitations. One major drawback is the data cap on all plans, which can be a problem for heavy internet users. Additionally, their services are not available nationwide, limiting their reach. There have also been reports of inconsistent speeds and occasional downtime. Lastly, the pricing can be higher compared to some other providers, particularly for their higher speed plans. Overall, Sparklight offers reliable high-speed internet service with a variety of plans to cater to different needs. The availability of 24/7 customer service, a free security suite, and the option to bundle services are significant benefits. However, the data cap and limited availability may be drawbacks for some users. It's important to consider your specific needs and usage patterns before choosing a plan. Thank you for watching our analysis of Sparklight Internet Provider. We hope it helps you make an informed decision. Remember, the best provider for you depends on your specific needs, location, and budget. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel